Refer to the most current installation instructions on installpella.com for the tools, materials, and specific steps needed to install your Pella product. Always use appropriate personal protective equipment.
Begin by cleaning the opening and surrounding wall to ensure that it is dry and free of any dirt, oil, or debris. Check the opening for plumb and level. Confirm that the window will fit in the opening after the wood buck is installed, with 1/4 inch to 3/8 inch space around all 4 sides. Apply a water-resistant coating on all 4 sides of the opening and extending at least 9 inches onto the wall surface. The coating can be liquid-applied coating or self-adhered flashing. Apply 2 beads of sealant to the opening where the buck will be attached. Anchor the wood buck to the opening according to building code requirements. Then, apply the liquid-applied coating or self-adhered flashing over the wood buck. The step is optional. Place and level shims on the sill a 1/2 inch from each side as well as under any mullions. Refer to the installation instruction for additional shimming requirements. Secure the shims with roofing nails or flashing tape. Center the window in the opening on the sill shims. Make sure the nailing fin makes contact with the wall on all sides. Drive 2 fasteners, one near each end of the top nailing fin. Refer to the installation instruction for fastener requirements. Place shims according to the installation instructions to make the window plumb and square and to keep the sash to frame gap, or reveal, consistent. Check the window placement within the wall by measuring from the interior surface of the window or jamb extension to the interior surface of the wall. The measurement should be consistent. Drive 2 more fasteners, one near each end of the sill nailing fin. Check for smooth operation. Refer to the installation instructions and make any necessary adjustments. Drive the remaining fasteners in the nailing fin. Refer to the instructions for fastener type and spacing. Apply liquid-applied coating or self-adhered flashing 1/2 inch onto the window frame, over the nailing fin, and onto the wall surface at the sides and top. Do not cover the sill nailing fin. Apply the rest of the water-resistant coating to the masonry wall. Install any overlapping materials in watershed fashion. Use a low-pressure polyurethane window and door insulating foam sealant to create an interior seal. Read the directions on the can before using. Insert the nozzle or straw 1 inch into the space between the window and wall. Place a 1 inch deep bead of foam to allow for expansion. When applying siding, brick, trim, or other finish materials, leave adequate space between the window frame and the siding for sealant. After the application of siding, brick, and/or trim, insert backer rod in the space between the window and the siding or trim. Apply a continuous bead of Pella window and door installation sealant over the backer rod. Shape, tool, and clean any excess sealant.